And we're hoping for good weather for that. But first, I guess we need to talk about tonight's weather, Jason.
Yeah, still some rumblers up there. And again, nothing severe. And I do think that baseball game is looking decent tomorrow for the record. You can see the shower storms we've got right near Waverly down through Waterloo and up towards Charles City as well. A weak line has been working its way into Hampton through the Clarion area and just widely scattered showers as you get a little bit further to the west, Lake Park down towards around Spencer. But there is a cluster of storms and showers that are working their way into the state right now. So more beneficial rains headed our way. And there's a lot of spots that do desperately need that rain. I know central southern portions of the state do too, but this is northern Iowa's rain and likely will be the case as we head through the day tomorrow as well. That rain continues to ride that Minnesota state border, and into the morning tomorrow we work in a little bit of cloud cover and then get some widely patchy showers and storms throughout the evening hours. Again, bulk of this is going to be to the north. If you get tagged with a shower or thunderstorm for central and southwestern portions of the state, consider yourself one of the lucky ones because they will not be that common through central and southern portions of the state. As far as how much rain you can expect, if you do get tagged with one of those thunderstorms, again, you could be on the order of a ½ inch to an inch. I think this model may be overdoing it for the metro here, but a good indication of what you could expect if that does happen. Much better chances for that, though, up through northern Iowa. So your 12-hour forecast features a whole lot of clouds, and at least through central portions of the state, not a lot of rain. We'll have a chance for an isolated shower or storm by the afternoon and evening hours. Otherwise, plan on cloud cover with temperatures in the mid to upper 80s. 88 for the metro, 87 for Ames, Grinnell at 87 as well. Southern portions of the state low to mid 80s. And we hang out in the 80s for a few days here with more chances for hit or miss showers and storms on Friday. And central portions of the state cooking towards 90, 89 for Altoona, Adel at 89, 87 for Montezuma. 3-day forecasts to the north, again, hit or miss showers and thunderstorms with those temperatures into the middle 80s. So that extended forecast does bring in more chances for rain. I think Saturday will be early on and it'll be a little hit or miss as well. Better chances by Sunday evening of showers and thunderstorms working their way on through, and we'll continue with at least some chances into the start of your work week. Tonight, temperatures only dipping into the low to mid 60s. Got that soupy air out there. It's really hard for us to cool off much when those dew points are up. And tomorrow we may not be widespread in the 90s, but it is still going to be warm, borderline hot, and pretty humid as our high tops out at 88 in the metro, those northern portions of the state in the low to mid 80s. 8-day forecast keeps us in the 80s through the extended. And a largely dry weekend. Again, we will have periods of rain here and there early Saturday, late again on Sunday, and more chances on Monday as we keep it warm with highs in the middle 80s through Thursday.